Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 108 divide 9 plus 3 multiply 4. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, but before using the before solving this question correctly, I just want to see your answer. So please stop this video and comment your answer step by step with solution. Okay, because I am personally giving every comment a score out of 10. So now let's see who gets a perfect score with 10 out of 10. Okay, so please stop this video and solve this question firstly. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, first we have to solve parenthesis, okay, because first priority is parenthesis. In this parenthesis, here one division, one addition and one parenthesis. So first priority is parenthesis, so first we have to solve this parenthesis, okay. So is equal to 108 divide. Now solve this parenthesis. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Multiply 4. Okay. So now here is one multiplication and one parenthesis. So first priority is parenthesis. Okay. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. So 108 divided by 12 is equal to 9. So 9 multiply 4. So now 9 multiply 4 is equal to 36. Okay. So the correct answer is 36. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.